Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 902 rotary wall telephone, and this is Rex's equipment from South Carolina, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit has some issues, and we also want to install a modular port so that Rex can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We also want to troubleshoot the bell. We know the bell is the wrong frequency, so it is the wrong style bell. We should be able to modify the bell and make it work on a modern day system. We also want to isolate the bell from the telephone circuits. We'll also upgrade the circuit to the modified bell. We want to go through the rotary dial. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to remove the dial center card that's in this unit and replace it with Rex's telephone number. So we'll take care of that issue. Now this telephone has an amplified handset. You don't see that very often. We're going to be troubleshooting the handset, receiver, the amplification circuit, the transmit, and the handset cord. We also want to make sure that the network is proper and wired the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now and we're ready to start our final checkout. All the issues have been resolved. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'll go ahead and end in a 2. Now we want to go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now what we want to do is go ahead and check our volume control at the handset. We'll go ahead and turn the unit all the way up, and we'll hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. The volume control for the receiver is in working condition. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature. Today is Sunday, September 8th. The current time, 8:30 p.m. And the temperature, 81 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We'll go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric 902 rotary dial telephone with an amplified handset has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit to Rex and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.